Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Incredible, B2.
Amazing, B1.
We've never seen this place before.
And it's so close to home.
We might be able to find some new plants.
Or some new animals.
Was that you, B2?
I thought it was you, B1.
Over that way. Watch the branch, B2.
Watching, B1. Sorry, B1.
No problem, B2.
Hello? Hello?
Who is that?
And where are you?
Up, up, up.
Up?
Hello, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, hello.
You're a talking bird?
We've never seen a talking bird.
What's your name?
Billy, Billy the bird, Billy the bird.
This is amazing, B2.
It's incredible, B1.
Ah!
Our friends the Teddies would love to meet you, Billy.
You'll really like them.
You stay right here.
We'll be straight back.
It's wonderful to make a new friend.
It's even more wonderful when it's a talking bird. Teddies! Teddies!
What is it, Bananas? Is something wrong?
You've got to see something.
Come and look.
Look at what?
It's a surprise.
A pajama-tastic surprise.
Oof. Come on.
I wonder what it is. You just never know with the Bananas.
Let's go. We're right behind you, Bananas.
Wow! We've never been through here before.
We haven't either.
We discovered it this morning.
But what is it you want to show us, Bananas?
We met a new friend.
And we want you to meet him too.
So where is your new friend?
He's up in this tree. He was there.
He's a talking bird.
What?
It's true. He told us his name.
It's Billy.
A talking bird. That's a good trick.
But it's not a trick.
Good one, Bananas. You really fooled us.
We weren't trying to fool you.
Billy's real. Truly.
Talking bird. Oh, great joke, Bananas.
We did see Billy, didn't we, B1?
We did, B2. And we talked to him.
Talked. Talk.
Did you hear that, B2?
I did, B1.
Talk. Talk.
Billy!
Billy?
Are you here?
Hello.
You're back, Billy.
Billy back. Billy back.
And you are real.
Billy real. Billy real.
Quick, B2. We have to get the Teddies. You stay there, Billy. Oof. After you, B2.
After you, B1.
Thank you. Teddies!
Wait!
We saw Billy again.
And he talked again.
Are you sure this isn't a trick?
We promise it's not.
Are you absolutely sure?
Absolutely.
Really and truly absolutely.
Okay, Bananas. Show us this Billy.
This way. This is the spot.
Where?
There.
Bananas!
A trick isn't funny if you keep playing it.
It's very unfunny.
But Billy isn't a trick.
He really is a talking bird.
Oh. The Teddies don't believe us, B2.
Oh, what can we do, B1?
Billy, there's a big pile here.
As much as you can eat.
Thank you. Thank you, Bananas.
This is our chance, B2. Let's go.
Teddies.
Teddies.
What now, Bananas?
Billy's outside right this minute.
Come and see.
We're making lunch, Bananas.
Why don't you join us? And let's have no more tricks about talking birds.
But Billy is real.
We can show you he's real.
Please.
All right, but let's do it quickly. Lunch is almost ready.
Oh, well, this is the last time, Bananas. If we don't see Billy, we never want to hear about him again.
Trust us.
Billy! Oh no!
Bananas, I want you to promise never to trick us about Billy again.
Oh! Maybe he flew away because of this smoke.
I think you're right, B1.
Smoke?
Our lunch! Oh, I left the stove on.
We're sorry, Teddies.
Very, very sorry.
It's all right, Bananas.
It is?
Because you're going to clean up these saucepans.
We are?
And not tell any more tales about a talking bird.
Oh.
What a mess, B2.
And it's not just the saucepans, B1.
Billy keeps going away at the wrong time.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
And Billy keeps coming back at the wrong time.
Every time we ask him to do something, he does exactly the opposite. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's shoo time! If we shoo him away,
It means he'll stay here. Then the teddies will come out and see that he's real.
shoo, Billy, shoo!
Shoo, shoo.
Shoo! Oh dear, he did fly away, B2.
What have we done?
Billy, come back!
At least we saved some of our lunch.
I'll get the Bananas to come and have some too.
And when they do, they can look at this. What is it? It's a big book on birds. I'll show the Bananas that there's no such thing as talking birds.
Talking birds?
Talking birds?
Bananas!
Billy!
We're sorry.
We just wanted the teddies to believe us.
We don't care about that now.
We just want you to be our friend. Over there.
Billy,
Please come back, Billy.
we're sorry for scaring you.
Stop! Stop!
Stop?
Drop! Drop!
Drop? Drop!
Keep!
Bananas!
Where are you?
Over here!
Through there.
Teddies, what are you doing here?
We came to say sorry.
Sorry?
We know that you really did see Billy.
And hear him. We found out there are lots of talking birds.
Like parrots.
And cockatoos.
We're so glad that you believe us, teddies.
Now Billy can be your friend too.
Say hello to the teddies, Billy.
Billy?
He's done it again.
Teddies! Teddies!
There he is!
Hello! Hello!
It's Billy.
Hello! Hello!
So you're Billy. You really are real.
A real cockatoo!
Meet the teddies, meet the teddies.
Come on, everyone. There's some lunch waiting at home.
And you're invited too, Billy.
Lunch? Lunch?
There's nothing better than lunch with our friends, B2.
With all of our friends, B1. Let's go!
Oomph!
Oh,
Bananas!
Oh, bananas! Ah!
What shall we do today, B1?
I know, B2. Let's visit Rat.
After you, B1.
No, after you, B2. After you, B2.
No, after you, B1.
Thank you. Hello, Rat.
That's odd, B1. Rat isn't here.
I wonder where he is.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
That sounds like Rat. Found you, Rat.
Oh, you startled me, Bananas.
Sorry, Rat.
But what are you doing back here?
Trying to tidy up. This back room is full of junk. See?
Can we help, Rat?
Well, if you want to, Bananas.
Let's start with that box, B1.
That box it is, B2.
Cheese and whiskers.
Sorry, Rat.
Look at all these musical instruments.
Where did they come from, Rat?
Oh, they used to belong to my brothers and sisters, Bananas. We had a little band.
A band?
Which instrument did you play, Rat?
Here it is. The saxophone. I wonder if I can remember anything.
That was beautiful, Rat.
We didn't know you could play so well.
Well, I don't get much time for it these days. I probably should throw all these out.
You can't do that, Rat.
But what use are they, Bananas?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
Let's start a band!
And we can use all these instruments.
All right, Bananas. The problem with a band is that you need others to join in.
Oh, don't worry, Rat. We'll get lots of others to join, won't we, B1?
Lots and lots, B2. Let's go and tell everyone right now. Bye, Rat!
Why are we stopping, B1?
Because that's the Teddy's house, B2, and we should ask them first.
Good thinking, B1.
Teddy! Teddy's!
Bananas, what's all this noise about?
We want you to join our band.
Your band?
The Cuddlestown Band.
I didn't know Cuddlestown had a band.
Well, so far it's just us and Rat.
But it'll be a lot more if you join too.
Wow! A band sounds like fun.
Lots of fun. I'll join Bananas. I can play the violin. Oh, count me in. I can play the keyboard.
And I'll join too. I can play the... Actually, I can't play anything. Does that mean I can't join?
Of course not, Morgan. Rat has lots of spare instruments.
Great! Then I'll definitely join too.
Our first practice is in the park this afternoon. See you there!
Well done, Bananas. And welcome to band practice, everyone. Oh, please be careful with those instruments, Bananas.
Sorry, Rat.
Now, we're going to play a tune everyone knows. Can anyone guess what it is?
The Cuddlestown Stomp!
Oh, that's right. Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait! I don't have anything to play.
Oh, that's right.
Come and choose an instrument, Morgan.
How about this?
The bagpipes?
Yes, they look like fun.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that'll do, thanks. Stop! Oh, stop! Perhaps perhaps it would be better if everyone practiced at home first. And then we can have another full practice tomorrow, before our concert.
What concert, Rat?
I promised Skid I'd play a little something for his beach party tomorrow. But now we're a band, we can all play.
I can't wait!
So lots of practice, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.
What's that horrible noise, B1?
It sounds like someone's in pain, B2. We better go and see what it is.
What's that terrible noise, Lulu? I don't know, Amy, but it doesn't sound good at all.
Hello, Teddies.
Did the noise wake you too?
Yes, where's it coming from?
It sounds like it's coming from
Your backyard!
You're right! What do you think it is, Bananas?
It sounds like a monster.
Oh, don't be silly. There's no such thing as monsters. It's coming from behind that bush. What should we do?
You go around that way, and we'll go around this way, and we'll catch it in the middle. Ready, set, go!
What's going on?
Morgan!
What are you doing out here?
I came outside to practice, see? The bagpipes are so hard. I'll never learn in time for the concert.
Don't worry, Morgan. Rat has lots of other instruments.
Yes. Why don't you choose one that's easier to play?
Good idea, Bananas.
And maybe you can find one that's quieter too.
How about this one, Morgan?
Not really.
Or this one?
I'm not sure.
What about this?
Yes, that'd be perfect. It looks much easier than the bagpipes.
Here you go, Morgan.
I'm going to start practicing right now.
What was that, B1? It's getting louder, B1.
What is that appalling racket?
I don't know, but it's coming from the Teddy's house.
Oh, dear! Hello, Teddies! Please don't tell us that's Morgan! Morgan! Morgan!
Oh, hi, Bananas. Do you think I'm good enough to play in the band yet?
Well, you're definitely loud enough, but you might need to play a bit more in tune.
Just a tiny bit more.
I'll never learn to do that in time.
I know! You can play the triangle with me!
Or the cymbals with me.
They're your instruments, Bananas, not mine.
Come on, it's time for our final practice.
We can't practice, Lulu.
Morgan doesn't have an instrument to play.
It's all right, Bananas. I guess I'll just have to watch.
Oh.
Stand by, everyone. 1, 2, 3. All right, stop! Oh, that was terrible. I thought I asked you all to practice at home.
I did, Rat.
Me too. Amy and I know our parts perfectly.
But if everyone knows their parts, why does it sound so horrible when we put it all together?
It's a mystery, B1.
A very noisy mystery, B2.
Rat, I think I might know why. Everybody's playing all at once over the top of each other, so it sounds like a big tangled up mess.
I think he's right, Rat.
Ooh, what if we try starting at different times so you can hear each instrument?
Good idea, Lulu. We just need someone to point at us when it's our turn to play.
But who can do that when we're all busy playing our instruments?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. Morgan can do it!
Me?
Of course! You just point at each of us when you want us to start.
It would really help us, Morgan.
But,
Please, Morgan.
oh, all right. I'll try. Is everyone ready?
Ready, Morgan!
You start first, Topsy. and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Now you, Charlie. And now the bananas. Now Lulu. And Amy. And now Bernard. And Rat. And stop.
That was wonderful, Morgan.
Oh dear! Oh, look at that time! We have to get down to the beach for our concert.
Good luck, everyone. Have fun.
You have to come too, Morgan.
But I'm not in the band.
Yes, you are.
You're our conductor.
Am I really?
Of course! Come on! Marvellous! Oh, well done, everyone!
But we couldn't have done it without our conductor.
Let's hear it for Morgan the Bear.
Oh, bananas!
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Where is he? There he is. Hello, Postman Rat.
Greetings, Morgan!
Is there anything in your bag for me?
Let's see. We have a postcard for Pedro, some letters for Camembert.
What about me, Morgan?
Morgan. Oh, here we are, a parcel for Morgan.
It's here. It's finally here. Thanks, Rat.
You know what they say, nothing stops Postman Rat from bringing the mail. Well, unless it's a bit chilly or I have something better to do. Bye, Morgan.
Hello, Morgan.
What's in the parcel?
It's my Super Bear costume.
Super Bear?
Who's Super Bear?
Only the greatest superhero bear ever. He's the Cape Crusader. I've seen all his movies and I've read all his books.
And now you've got your very own Super Bear costume.
So I can be just like him.
Hi, Teddies.
Where are you going?
We're off to the river. We just have to work out how to carry all our things.
This sounds like a job for... Ta-da! Super Bear!
Morgan? Why are you dressed like that?
Because I'm not Morgan. I'm Super Bear. You name it, I can do it.
All right, Super Bear. We're happy to let you help us.
I'll load everything into my Super Bear super wheelbarrow.
I think I like our new Super Bear. Come on, Bananas. You can come to the river too.
Thanks, Teddies.
We'd love to.
Right, now watch Super Bear's super strength in action. Zoom! Zoom!
Watch where you're going.
Relax! I have my Super Bear Super Radar! Whoa!
Now everything's covered with mud.
It's okay! Mud's no problem for Super Bear, not with my Super Squirter. Stand back! Wow!
Quick, B1.
Wow!
I think we got it just in time, B1.
Almost just in time, B2.
Sorry, Amy. Sorry, Lulu. Super Bear was just trying to help.
We know.
Super Bear will make everything better again. I'll use my Super Bear power to put it all back in the barrow.
Oh no! He's making an even bigger mess. Super Bear, stop!
But Super Bear likes helping.
Well, why don't you help someone else?
But are you sure you'll be all right without me?
Very sure.
Then Super Bear is up, and away!
Don't be cross with Morgan.
He only wants to help.
Don't worry, we're not cross. We're just wet. You bananas go and get the things you need for the river and we'll repack the wheelbarrow.
We'll be right back.
Bananas, come quick!
What's the matter, Amy?
No time to explain. Hurry!
What is it?
Look!
Morgan!
Be careful!
I'm not Morgan. I'm Super Bear. I'm going to fly down onto those leaves just like Super Bear does in my book.
It's too high!
Quick, B1!
The trampoline, B2!
1, 2,
Got it!
Hurry!
2.5, 3, up and away!
There he goes, B1!
Look out, Morgan!
I'm not Morgan, I'm... Wow! Wow!
Morgan, are you all right?
Super Bear is always all right.
That was silly, Morgan. You could have been hurt.
Silly for Morgan, but not for Super Bear. I'll have all this back in the wheelbarrow before you know it.
We'll do it ourselves. Thanks. But thanks for the offer.
Anytime. Super Bear loves helping. Zoo!
Can you help us, Bananas? I think we should get to the river before Super Bear finds more trouble.
I've read all the books and nothing can hurt Super Bear. Zoom!
I know Morgan loves Super Bear, and it's good that Super Bear likes helping. I just hope he doesn't get hurt trying to do what Super Bear does in the books.
Hello, everyone.
We've come to join the fun. Great! Just in time for a game of volleyball. Oh, excellent! Let's all go and play!
You go and play. I'd prefer a nice, relaxing snooze. Just wake me up for lunch, will you?
You can rely on us, Rat.
See you later.
Oh, yes. There's nothing better than a quiet, peaceful nap in the sun. Zoom! What was that? Where was I? Ah, yes. Oh, cheese and whiskers.
Here comes Super Bear, swinging through the trees.
Careful, Morgan, don't fall.
I won't fall. I'm Super Bear, and superheroes can't fall. Wow! Ow! Uh-oh.
What's Morgan doing? Not again.
Hang on, Morgan!
We'll catch you.
Bananas, are you okay?
I think so.
No harm done.
It's time to stop this, Morgan.
I'm not Morgan. I'm...
You are Morgan.
Oh, but...
It's okay to play, Super Bear, but you can't try to be him.
All right. But I can play, can't I?
Only if you agree that you don't really have superpowers.
Okay, I promise. Thanks. Zoom! Here's Super Bear creeping along, looking for crocodiles to tickle. Look, there's one. Okay, Mr. Crocodile, get ready to start laughing. Aha! Got you now. Uh-huh. Oh, no. I can't get back. Help! Help!
Look, B1.
Morgan's caught in the current.
Help, Bananas!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's rescue time!
To the boat!
paddling, B2!
I'm paddling, B1.
We're not moving!
Quick, turn around.
We're still not moving!
You stay there. I'll turn around.
Hang on, Morgan!
We're on our way.
I think you better hurry, Bananas!
Look, B1,
The waterfall, B2!
there's no time to lose.
It's super speed rowing time!
Thanks, Bananas. You got me just in time.
You were so lucky the bananas rescued you.
I'm sorry. Super Bear never needs rescuing.
But Super Bear's not real.
That's why he never gets hurt.
You can still be a good pretend Super Bear.
I can?
Just play at being a superhero and don't do anything dangerous.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's superhero playtime!
We fly in space, all over the place, to planets near and far. We're fast as sound as we travel around, and we don't need a car. And we don't need a car. We go zoom, 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 zoom. We all love superheroes. Zoom, 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 zoom. We love their funny clothes. Zoom, 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 zoom. Let's play superheroes. Superheroes, let's go!
That was a great game, everyone.
But something was missing.
Someone was missing.
And we all know who.
Did someone call?
Come and join us, Rat.
You're missing all the fun.
Come and play superheroes.
Thanks, Super Bananas, but this Super Rat would much rather have a Super Snooze. Well, even superheroes need their rest, you know.
Oh, you rat in a hat!
We have so many favourite things to do during Christmas, B2.
But decorating a Christmas tree has to be our most favourite thing.
If we didn't decorate a Christmas tree,
It just wouldn't be Christmas.
it's tinsel time! I'll go this way.
I'll go that way.
Around and around we go.
Where we stop, we don't know.
Come in!
Good morning, Bananas.
Hello, Bernard.
I have more decorations for you.
Thank you, Bernard.
We'll soon find a place for them.
Oh, my. What have you done, Bananas? You can't be Christmas decorations.
Could you help us, Bernard?
Let me see. You twist around, B1. You go under there, B2. A little more. Oh, there you are. You're free.
Thanks, Bernard.
Now you've done well with your tree, Bananas. I like it.
Decorating a Christmas tree is our most favourite thing about Christmas.
What's your most favourite thing about Christmas, Bernard?
My most favourite thing about Christmas... When I was a pup, I grew up high in the mountains. Sometimes during Christmas, it snowed.
Snow.
Jamarama.
And when it did snow, I made a snowman. That was my best Christmas treat ever.
Oh.
What's the matter, Bananas?
You mustn't like Cuddlestown during Christmas.
It's always sunny and it never snows.
Oh, no. I love Cuddlestown. I wouldn't live anywhere else, but a snowman during Christmas, that won't happen here. Oh, well, I'd better get along. Many Christmas things to prepare. See you soon, Bananas.
Bye, Bernard. You know, B1, we don't have a Christmas present for Bernard yet.
I do know, B2, because we haven't been able to decide on anything.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's snowman time!
These ice cubes from our refrigerator,
Are the closest thing we've got to snow.
so it might not be a real snowman.
But an iceman is almost a snowman.
Hi, Bananas!
Hello, teddies!
We're going to the beach.
Would you like to come?
We'd love to, but we're very busy.
We're building a snowman.
A snowman?
Here in Cuddlestown.
But there's no snow.
Which is why we're using ice.
It's almost like snow.
But why are you building a snowman?
When Bernard was young, his favourite thing at Christmas was a snowman.
So this is our Christmas present to Bernard.
Oh, what a nice idea, Bananas.
We'll help.
Let's all build a snowman.
Uh-oh, I think it already is melting.
Ice!
Oh!
Maybe the water needs more time to freeze into ice.
We don't have more time. We have to build the snowman now.
What about something else that's frozen?
Frozen peas!
Watch out for the water, Bananas!
Stop!
The snowman.
Where did it go?
You're sitting in it, Bananas.
It's all melted.
Oh!
Frozen peas.
We thought they could help build the snowman.
At least they're frozen.
Not anymore.
How sad. We'll never make a snowman for Bernard now.
Wait a minute. Look at this.
That looks perfect, B1.
What are you talking about, Bananas?
We'll make a snowman out of mud.
It sort of looks like a snowman.
He just needs a scarf.
And a hat.
These will make all the difference.
Great idea, Bananas.
It looks really good.
Now it looks really bad.
Oh.
Something we've got a lot of.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's jelly snowman time!
This is much more like a snowman.
It's wobbly, but it is holding together.
And this snowman won't melt either.
We have our snowman, B2.
And we have our Christmas present for Bernard, B1.
Hello there, seagulls.
Do you like our snowman too?
Bananas, they do like the snowman.
Because they want to eat the snowman.
Oh no!
They can't do that. Shoo! Shoo!
Quick, B2, we'll have to hide it.
Run, Bananas! Run!
Christmas is the merriest of times. Sleigh bells ringing in the air. Everyone has joy to share. Christmas is the merriest of times. Reindeers flying through the night. Laughter flows and all is right. It's Christmas time.
Oh.
Oh, hello, Bananas.
Bernard!
I found some more decorations for your tree.
Thank you, Bernard.
That's pajama-rific.
Are you looking for something, Bananas?
Sorry, Bernard.
We just have to get something.
Bananas?
That was a close one, B2.
Bernard almost saw his present before it was ready, B1.
But where did it go?
Catch it!
Now where's it gone? Uh-oh!
Oh!
Don't give up yet, Bananas.
We thought we had a great Christmas present for Bernard.
But we just can't make it. Oh.
Maybe you should take a break from the snowman.
Good idea. Ooh, let's go to the beach.
We can have some fun.
Pyjama-rific.
Well, that's the worst pajama-rific I've ever heard.
If we go to the beach, we can show you our new game.
That's right, a sandcastle race.
Sandcastle race?
What's a sandcastle race?
It's a race to see who can build the biggest sandcastle tower.
Pyjama-rific!
That's more like it.
I think you're just ahead, Bananas, but not by much.
We'll catch up.
We love this sandcastle race.
We could make the tallest sandcastle in the world!
As big as Amy.
As big as a banana!
As big as a...
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's Sandy Snowman time!
Where are you taking me, Teddies?
You'll see, Bernard. It's not far now.
Just a little more.
But why the blindfold?
So you don't see the surprise.
Until now. Surprise!
Blow me down. Is that what I think it is?
Here it is, Bernard.
Your Christmas present!
Oh, Bananas, Teddies. This is marvellous. Marvellous. What a wonderful surprise.
It's not quite a snowman.
It's more a sandman.
But it does look like a snowman. Sort of.
Oh, it does. I don't know what to say. This is the nicest Christmas present I've ever received. Thank you.
It's not quite finished yet.
It just needs one more thing.
Here's the thing.
You should finish it, Bernard.
Of course. Every snowman needs a hat. Oh, I do know what to say now. It's the only thing I can say. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yay!